more than 200.
Oh, it should be more.
500.
Like I said, I don't want to play the numbers game.
Ebusan for aha Ghana Sem TV GH message like a comment, subscribe, and notification also, so that anytime I post a video, be saying we sambet me a copy. Ebusan for Yera Penny. I have friend Elvis Inc. A free, aka Elvis 2014 Brazil, aka Elvis Kube. For 2014 Ghana Blast as a call. Brazil for World Cup no Kube a mukoto ya Kube no board no na sa papa na odi ni we be clarify one or two issues be we ka directive be by about prophecies come share say no wa nya coupon bibia kire obia no fast send through email na Elvis no on scrutinize and say on scan if you say we every yakupon wana sana say every satan ho na every angel Gabriel ho so obe na every friend say angel archangel Michael and onu dia ni office ni say who these prophecies no sending na otina ho na obon hu mpae and obon hu mpae sa na ho say now I classify you we are from angel Gabriel, we are from archangel Michael, we are from Satan, we are from we are from we and you oyeni na no na every yakupon ho no now forward for other actions to be taken. Our bekasa or say sa appointment John Mahama His Excellency Amano no appointment in Ebaye 2 weeks ago and Ebaye no dodo na as a omanti appointment when they say the office wo ho for prophecy no office tu anwuka as taxpayers and come share no office and ya share ya ebia very soon His Excellency John Mahama another office beba be office for apostles. It's why we apostle biano also preaching now their emails are office no. The free now I call office for evangelists. Then now your appointment or presidency honomu. Now only yesterday His Excellency John Mahama promise Ghana force oba appoint system ministers. System ministers now onya appointed or appoint you. Now be kaya Ministry of Chieftaincy where you free and religious affairs where you free. Now say we Ministry of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs free. Now for our appointee presidential staffer, presidential advisor or presidential coordinator or whatever on interfaith. Why not all this way? So on one hand, you claim they say there go for good presidency when you easy just say the only difference is omu friend of minister, but bibia ogbia no ni salary ni allowances everything are at the same level with Minister of States. And this is how His Excellency John Mahama has managed to trick and deceive Ghanaians. Ibi new come share na so obia obe share come share ma and the farmer obia na omo National Cathedral Board no so hey esa na yebe no so pe obia obe share come share ma bisa National Cathedral for say o jama muna mu benya ku point mu pen pa ba ko a ya the prophecies bana afede wasanka say ni sa officer ni office no omo receive almost 500 prophecies already. Say a conscience they say this says a free anchor the appointment buy letter no buy last week about the fact say forward the prophecies no. They say that as of for no Ghana or muhu and dear papa over 500 prophecies already has been sent. And there was one say there what was that Christ offer Uncle Elvis say Uncle Elvis come share no me dey woman na ya any scar dey ajigon but what was scar enti me pam to abusan voice say be appeal for fund and because me so me hu me share brem enti because 500 prophecies already there less than 1 week there ese media can be say assembly na coupon e catch them ese me pes kana me koye consultation or presidency on now if you vote out a free senior high school government for Kube government this year no. These are the things you negotiate for. Let me leave you with the interview that he had with Joy News, Macram.
You know, so that people will not say, oh, we saw it, we didn't have the opportunity. We are giving you the opportunity so that if there's a need for us to do something about it, then we will do it.
Have you received any so far?
Oh, plenty. Oh my goodness. There's somebody who is a dedicated volunteer who is, you know, then...
Can you put a number to the number of...
Oh, I don't want to, but it's plenty, believe me.
More than 200?
Oh, it should be more, you know.
500?
Like I said, I don't want to play the numbers game. Okay. But what I'm saying is that, by and large, 70-80% is not of no substance. Okay, then you look at the rest, the 20%, and then you sift through, and maybe 2, 3, 5% may deserve some further probe. Okay. So it's not a full-time job or office that has been set up solely to receive prophecies. That's not how it works. The office has multiple duties. We collaborate with ECOWAS, we collaborate with African Union, we collaborate with the UN, and locally with all the various faith bodies, not even just Christians as well.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. But importantly, the office is meant to coordinate with all the various religious bodies, Christian, Muslim, and other faiths, and to help foster unity and oneness in the country, both locally and across the sub-region. And the religious community, if you look at the last population census, the religious community constitutes over 90% of the entire population. So they are critical in the society. I've heard people say government should focus on governance and allow churches to do...
You say Ghana is a secular state, so why make it...
Yeah, but what is governance? Governance is the government is to ensure the interests of the citizens are protected and advance those interests. Now, Christianity, Islam, or faith has become part of our society. I mean, 90% of the population. So it's your reality that you have to deal with. And then we've had situations where there are thousands, millions of very, very good pastors, but you have situations where a few of them, the things they say and do in public tend to cause fear and panic. And unfortunately, within this period when the country is grieving, you have situations where people say, well, we foresaw it, but we couldn't get access to it.
But we have here with us the presidential envoy for interfaith and ecumenical relations here with us. Let's find out from him also the preparations that are underway for tomorrow's event. Hello, Mr. Elvis Efiri Ankra, he's here with us. Mr. Ankra, you're welcome to Joy News.
Thank you very much.
Some days ago, you came out, you released a statement on prophecies, and I'm sure you've seen some of the criticisms that have been, put forward by some persons after that release. I just want to find out from you what you make, of that.
You have a prophecy for me?
Not yet.
People say my office is a collector of prophecies. I think that first of all, I got my appointment letter about 2 weeks ago. So people haven't heard about the appointment, people didn't know about it, people didn't know about the office. So that alone was a problem. And then when the statement came out, we did not define the office, because that was not the purpose. And so for good reason, maybe some people felt that an office has been set up solely to collect prophecy. That's why you saw all those memes and all that. But I took it in good faith as part of the